Welcome back to the 7th House Art Studio. I'm so excited. Yay! The Paul Reubens 72 color, I don't know how to say it, Haiya, Haiya, oil pastel set. It's our answer to Sennelier. It is bullet shape. So let's see what these are all about. Okay, let me turn my flash on. Maybe. Is it on? Oh, it's on. Okay, so testing, I'm going to be using my sketchbook. So this actually was my daughter's sketchbook, and she did some, I don't know, K-pop type stuff. She started and didn't finish. But anyway, oh, this is a crazy one I did. So I've been using this one up with crayons mostly. This one I had to work with a bleed through from the previous page. Alright, so just a quick, guess who that is. Anyway, guess who this is. Anyway, some crayon art. Excuse me. This was crayon and oil pastels. I was very tired that night. This one I was mostly working on shading. That's a little kooky. That's my fox. That's my Bruno, I want to call him. And my weird head kid. And this is a color pencil with King Art color pencils. These right here. Okay. And this one I did last night. I used I Imagine crayons. I think I got them at Dollar General. And I tried to use every single crayon that was in the 64 count box. I just couldn't. They were just taking up too much. So here is going to be our test paper for, I think these are fairly new. I'm not sure when they came out, but I wanted them, and I got them. I don't remember what I paid for them. It wasn't much. I think I got them from AliExpress. I don't know. This is what happens when it's 3 o'clock in the morning and you can't sleep. You order stuff that you want. Don't pay attention to much, which is not a good thing. Have you done that? Couldn't sleep and ordered shit? Alright, you ready? Take a deep breath. Alright. Oh. Of course, they're little pamphlets. You know what they look like. And their swatching sheet, which I'm not going to use. And here are you ready? Yeah. Oh, they are bullet shapes. Ooh, they smell a little funky. I don't know. I can't explain what they smell like. They don't stink. They don't smell terrific. So there is just one layer. Oh. Okay, so let's check out the bottom. So you get to see the white table. Okay, it's all in a different language. I don't know what it is. Chinese, Japanese, I'm not sure. Okay, let's do a close-up for you. They're so pretty. 72 wonderful colors. I'm running into the wall and hitting the camera. Alright. Let's see. Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. Let's try this one. This one is, let's see how big they are. Okay, they are about 3¼ inch long, about 1/4 inch in diameter. And let's see, feel softer, experience nicer. Okay, that's a little odd. I'm not seeing any color name. Of course, that is very tiny writing. Looks like it has a number. Is that number the same? No, they do have numbers. Probably cannot buy these open stock. Okay, they are very soft, very creamy and buttery. I would say that they're not as soft as Sennelier, but they're nice. Everybody, they're nice. All right. I always like to test out the black and the white. Oh, that's a nice, oh, that's really nice. I mean, I'm barely touching it. It's my weird eye. The black is very nice. They blend very good, almost too good, because I'm like messing up what I put down already. Okay, let's try this pink one. Oh, they're very colorful. I'm trying not to say what everybody says in every video. They're very pigmented, they're very creamy and buttery and lipsticky. I'm sure you've all heard enough of that. Wow, they blend great. Really almost effortless. Now, let's try some of the skin tones. So, let me know in the comments if you have this set and what you think about it. And maybe even show me, oh, can you put pictures in the comments? That would be cool if you could like share what you've done. Look, I mean, man, I'm barely touching this. These are very nice, I must say. And they blend like a dream. This is going to be fun. You know what would be cool? If they had some neon colors in here. So, okay. See, I keep doing this. This is my mistake here. Well, I can't control it. But these are great. Let's try to, let's do a little blending. Let's get some purple out here. I mean, little sidebar blending. I mean, these are very nice. Okay, so I do like their blending because It's not like going over top of the previous color. It's mixing with it. And you can hear them clink on the table. They got some weight to them. Look at that. Can you see that? I mean, shut it off. My camera is making them look very grainy. But in real life, they are not this grainy. Let's try to blend it with my finger. Oh, look at that. Oh, wow. I'm so excited. Try to blend those together a little bit more without destroying my masterpiece here. Oh wow. And I'm not sure if there's bigger sets than this or not. These are these are amazing. Try to see in here. Try to put this back up without turning it off and it falling off. Okay. Okay, so that is the biggest set is 72 colors. It comes in 12, 24, 36, 48, 60, and 72. But if you have full set syndrome like I have, you get the 72. Let more people like Chinese colors. Okay, so this is in Chinese. Okay. Oh, I wanted to see in here if there's anything about the light fastness. Of course, I can't read it. It's a problem. And I can't even read that. It's in English, but it's so tiny. Okay, guys. These are absolutely wonderful. They're not as perfected as Sennelier, however you say it, but they do cost a good bit less, so they're a good dupe. Very good. I would highly recommend these. Again, let's see, what are they? I'm not going to swatch every color, as you can see the colors right there. And when you get them yourself, you can play with them however you want. Oh, hold on. I have to put my little spongy thing back in. I'm getting it all over the place. And if you get some, I don't know if they have a fixative in this brand. I don't know. That's another thing. Leave in the comments. If you know Paul Reubens, do they have a fixative spray? Because I would be very interested in that. I know Sennelier has their own fixative spray. So whatever you do, you know, if you could spray it with some fixative, am I saying that right? You know, that's going to help it not smear. It's going to make the light fastness better. But yes, guys. Oh my god, oh my god. Thank you for watching, and come back, hit that thumbs up, subscribe. Woo! See y'all.